Following is an instructional video on how to use the Tweetgen Twitter reply chain generator. This is a very easy website to use, and I'm just going to show you the basics on how to do so. So you'll see here I am on the link. If you're at the home page, it will look different from this, but if you are on the reply chain generator link, it'll look exactly like this. And there's a few things to point out. You can change the background color from light to dim to dark. I prefer the light myself. You can also change the font if you choose, and you can also use emojis in here. Let's just go through some basics. So you'll see below here, you can select an avatar picture. Let's go to here where I've preloaded a little teacher apple, and there now that is appearing as my avatar. In order to have it appear as the avatar on all the locations, I will have to upload it each time. I can type my name here. Let's go with your teacher. And username, let's go with rockin' teacher. And we can set the date to whatever we want. We'll just use the default for right now. We can also be verified. Ooh. My tweet can go here. Tweet, tweet, tweet. And then if I really want some clout, I can click here and do replies, retweets, likes. It also has a randomizer. Wow, that's a lot. That's more like what I'd see on mine. And then I can move down to the next one. Let's do your teacher again. Let's do rockin' teacher again. And let's verify ourselves. So I can type my reply. I can also generate more of these replies, retweets, and likes. And then if I want to add a tweet, I can go down here and do the same process as many times as I want. Let's get rid of these. When I'm finished, I can go to up at the top of the page where it says generate image, and I can click that, and now we have an image generated. It gives you instructions at the top. Right click or hold down on mobile on the image and press save image to save it to your device. And there we go.